Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Wonder Boy. Wonder Boy is on the farm today, it's cow farm. So I got a lot of babies down on the ground, ladies and gentlemen. Babies start to pop right down there. Look at those. Ain't these some pretty babies, ladies and gentlemen? These are some pretty babies, see them? Look at them. Some pretty babies, ladies and gentlemen. Lots of babies. You start to pop down on the floor. Look at them. The Wonder Boy is on the farm doing his thing today. Please, today I come and I see 15 babies on the ground one time. So, they are looking beautiful. You know, all nice and healthy. So I just give them some feeding and checking them out, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure they have everything. Orange tangerine over there. Yeah, so now I'm going to get them some hay. And then I'm going to check on the goats them. So this farm I come up here twice a week sometimes. So these cows is on their own. But the stock is looking nice, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, stock is looking nice. Yeah, the stocking is looking nice, ladies and gentlemen. And this is my son Macho. Say hi to the people, man.
Hi.
Yeah, he's on the farm with me today. You know, checking out the cows there. Tell the fans which one of the cow babies you like.
I like that one.
Which one? A boy or a girl? It's a boy or a girl? It's a boy. Correct. So you like that one? So what's fascinating about that one? Got some pretty one right here too. Them is about just a day old. Right here. And they're moving around healthy, strong. You see these cows, they tame. I like to raise these cows, then when you come into the pen you can walk amongst them and they does not attack you. That's what I like about them, you know? They don't run away from you. Anything run away from me, I get rid of the runaway slave. Runaway cow. So I can walk amongst them and check them out, you know? Yeah, nice. The winter is down on them, but they stand up firm, ladies and gentlemen, in weight. I'm pleased to see them because all the grass them dry up. So they still stand up firm to meet this spring. So spring coming up here, when I take them up in the pen, I just gotta drench all of them, worm them, and give them their shots, and they would be fine. Healthy cows them. Subscribe. Big up Wonder Boy. Wonder Boy is on the farm today. So just like this one, ladies and gentlemen. Run off camp anytime now. It's the light on right here. And I know this will be a healthy job. The mother is healthy, look at it. Like, subscribe.